Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for today's video is the Midday Meal Scheme. So the Midday Meal Scheme has been launched by the Government of India, and it has been designed to improve the nutritional standing of school children. So basically, the program supplies free lunches on working days for children in primary and upper primary schools. Note this point importantly, it is only on working days. However, there are certain caveats. Let me explain those in the next slides. So the objective is to enhance enrollment because a lot of students drop out of schools because their families believe that there is no use of any education because ultimately they would not find employment. Similarly, the same reason is also one of the reason why they don't have regular attendance, because they only get namesake education in those kind of schools. Even if they join, they would be disinterested after a particular point of time. So there is a need for certain incentive for the parents to send their kids to these schools. Ensuring that a good quality meal is provided to the kid has been one of the reason why a lot of parents are willing to send their kids to the schools. So that is how we have achieved the gross enrollment ratio of nearly 100% at primary level. So initially this scheme was only for primary students. Later they started this program and extended it to upper primary classes up to class 8. So that is the important thing that we have to note. At the time of initiation it was not till class 8. So this attains the objective of both dealing with hunger, because India is one of the hub for a lot of malnourished kids. So this has been reiterated by many reports such as Global Hunger Index as well. So with one scheme we are targeting both malnourishment as well as education. So what are the eligible institutions to attain this scheme? One is obviously the government and government aided schools. Apart from this, you can also use the special training centers as centers for the application of this scheme. So madrasas, maktabs which are under the Samagra Shiksha scheme, which we have discussed in the previous videos, is also a part of this program. So another thing that we have to talk about in this context is the National Child Labour Project. So this project is run by the Ministry of Labour. So institutions under this project are also a part of this scheme. So almost 30 years ago, India has ratified the UN Convention on Rights of Children. So ensuring adequate nutrition is a objective that India has ratified to, and the midday meal scheme will address that issue. One important caveat that we were talking about is, in normal conditions only in working days the meal is provided, but in certain drought prone areas even during the summer vacations this scheme is continued. Otherwise the kids would be severely undernourished or malnourished. Now in the context of this scheme, let us try to look at this question. So identify the right statement among the following statements with respect to the aims of this scheme, that is the midday meal scheme. So this has been the question. The first statement is improving the nutritional status of children till the age of 14. Is this statement right? Now when we generally look at this question through the lens of right to education, it might seem right, but you have to understand that this scheme is applicable only for those students who are enrolled in schools, but not all the children. So this statement is false. So mostly it will be applicable for students who are enrolled in the schools from class 1 to class 8. Now let us have a look at the second statement. It provides nutritional support to children in summer vacations if need arises. We have already discussed this point, so the second statement is right. Now please pause your video and go back to the video on Samagra Shiksha scheme. We have already addressed the required components of this question in that video. After watching that video, please post your answers in the comment section below. That's it for now. Thank you.